Hello, and welcome to this Clamshell tutorial. In this video, we're going to review how to set up your Clamshell account. The first thing you'll need is an invitation email. If you are the first user of Clamshell at your company, Clamshell support will send you this email. Otherwise, ask your Clamshell administrator to create a user account for you. If you're a Clamshell administrator and you'd like to learn how to add users to your company, check out our Setting Up Your Company in Clamshell video. Once you've obtained your invitation email, click the link in the message to get started. This link will open Clamshell in your web browser. Clamshell will send a verification text message to the phone number that you gave Clamshell support or your Clamshell administrator. If you're not getting this text message, ensure that Clamshell support or your Clamshell administrator has the correct phone number for your mobile phone. Once you get the verification text, enter the code contained in the message. These codes are critical for the security of your Clamshell account and your company. It's vital that you never, ever tell anyone these codes, even your colleagues or Clamshell support. No one else will ever need to know your codes for any reason. Once you've input the verification code, it's time to set up the password for your Clamshell account. Choose a password that would be hard to guess. Try to avoid publicly available information, like your birth date. A randomly generated password from a password manager is best here. Just like your verification code, never give out your password to anyone. Clamshell support will never ask for your password, and neither should your colleagues. Enter the same password twice, then click the button to continue. Now that you've set up your password, it's time to log in to Clamshell. Enter your email address. This should be the same email address where you received the email from the beginning of the tutorial. Now, enter the password you just created. This is how you will log into Clamshell every time. You can get back to Clamshell by visiting clamshellinc.com and clicking Login, or by visiting app.clamshellinc.com directly. Now, click the Login button. If you are the first user to log into your Clamshell company, you'll need to accept Clamshell's end-user license agreement. Take some time to read the agreement. Once you're ready to accept the agreement, scroll down and type your signature. Then, click Accept and Continue. Great! You're now ready to start using Clamshell. See our other tutorial videos for instructions on how to configure your company and set up a project.